Hello everyone, here a short video like how you can make your honey sing together for Viber Red filter for your Instagram and others can use it well. So check it out. At first go to scene panel, choose the rectangle, then rename it if you want and then make the rectangle 100 by 100 and then click on the plus sign, then you can rename it as your choice. After then change the shader type to flat so filter can be visible. And make sure to switch off the advanced render options, so your filter quality will look more better. And then click on plus near texture to create a material for the LUT. After then go to scene panel, select camera. And from right hand side click on the plus sign to extract the camera texture. And drag and drop into patch editor. After then you have to import your LUT. And the grain and make sure, after importing turn off the compression to none. Then connect the camera GB to texture and last node to material. Now you see that the filter is ready. If you want to add any grain, just click on rectangle and duplicate it and rename it if you want. And then create new material and then change the shader type to flat. And then on the texture option, choose your grain. You can see the impact on the filter. So now, you have to adjust some value to make it look better. So now, just change the blend mode as per you want it. Here I am changing into subtract and opacity to almost between 30 or 40, you can give as per your choice. And yes, don't forget to switch off the advanced render option. It will make your filter quality much better. So now let's some preview. You can see here the effect of the filter quality plus the grain. After then you import it to your Instagram and your friends plus others. Can you use it well? I had already made it. Try it out. Link is the description box. LUT I made in Photoshop. Check it out. So if you want this LUT and the grain, please read the description carefully. Hope you like this tutorial. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more upcoming tutorials. Till then stay safe and stay tuned. Bye.